Hey everyone, and welcome back to CJ Race Cars YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you a little bit on Nick's car. It's getting assembled. He painted the chassis, and Jesse and Nick's actually been here himself helping put it back together. So that car is getting finished up and getting ready to head out. He's going to have some body work done, and then he's got to have the motor fixed, and then that thing will be out at the track. But we wanted to show you on Nick's car, we put it has a titanium firewall, but it has a lip welded around the whole thing, and it's painted black. So it looks really good. The black with the titanium looks really good. And Jess has been on me about showing you guys these because not a lot of people use them, but we stock a ton of them. So if you guys need any, we have them. We use black stainless bolts and black wings. We use them in the windows. We use them in the firewalls. We use them on anything that the black would look good instead of just regular stainless. Yeah. So we have a ton of these things, different lengths, nylocks, different sizes, number 6s, number 8s, number 10s. We have a ton of this stuff. So if you guys need any of this stuff, give Corky a call at the shop, and he can get you all this stuff out. I know we've showed you through the parts room. We have all kinds of stuff.
They're really cool because you see a lot of the wings or components in the cars, and they have the black bolts on there. Well, those are just like steel that are black oxide. Yeah. And then they end up rusting like very quickly. Right. So like. Yeah,
most people don't use the black stainless, and we have also used black aluminum. We do stock a little bit of those, which we will use sometimes in windows. The problem is they don't last a whole long time. And on the titanium firewalls, I'd be worried about them shearing when anything flexes or moves around, firewall or titanium floor, any of that kind of stuff. I don't think I'd use aluminum screws. So if you guys are doing your floor, your firewall, or windows or anything like that,
it definitely cleans the windows up big.
It makes it look awesome. Yeah. Especially if you use dark windows and then you put a stainless bolt in there, it's kind of sticks out. I think we did all these on Justin's car.
Yeah, black. The whole car had all number 6.
Yeah, even the rockers, everything's bolted. Anything that's bolted to that car, I think, has black screws. Black so number 6. We use number 6 countersunk.
Yeah, we have the countersunk style, and then the button or bubble head, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, the button would be like what we use on a firewall. The countersunk obviously would be like a window or something. So
it's just something cool that like not a lot of people even know that's out there. You know,
right.
Black stainless bolts.
I mean, it definitely makes things look a lot better. You know, now that they have the black Zeus's and black rivets, and you can use this and just definitely makes things look good. Especially if you do a car like a certain color, and then the black really goes good with anything. So if you guys need these, let us know. Also, don't forget the open house December 18th at 6 p.m. If you're going, comment on this video. I know a lot of you are far away. We've had people say they're coming from California and Canada and all kinds of stuff. So it'd be really awesome if that happens. We're going to have a few food trucks. We have one food truck locked in now, and we're trying to get a taco truck. We're also going to have beers. We'll have someone out here selling beers.
If you guys are going to come, we have a what is it, like an invite or a...
Yeah, on Facebook. If you guys are on our Facebook, go on there, and we're trying to just get an idea how many people.
Yeah, we just want to make sure.
Jesse doesn't know if he needs a case of beer or 100 cases, so we're trying to make sure we don't have, because Jesse needs a whole case for himself. So if you guys are coming, we got to make sure we have enough beers for everybody and enough of everything, really. And we're just prepared. We need to make sure we're prepared. I don't know if there's going to be 100 people or 1,000 people. I don't know.
Be a line out the road.
It's possible.
Be full.
Mons will be here. He'll be here the day before getting fit for his car. Clay Cole will be here. Justin will be here. So, well, I think the Lexus will be here. He's going to bring the Lexus.
Yeah. And you said you're going to do like a practice tree deal?
We're going to do all kinds of stuff. I'm going to post that on the Facebook. I made an event page, so
event page. That's what
if you go on the Facebook and go to the event page, we'll post that. We're going to do like a little practice tree shootout and some other stuff.
I was thinking something else that would be cool is I know a lot of people have those little RC drag cars.
Yeah, it might not be bad. It's going to be dark, though.
Oh, yeah.
Might be tough in the night. Because 6 o'clock is dark now.
Yeah, I forgot.
But we'll also have a bunch of shirts and all kinds of stuff just for people. I know a lot of people don't want to get stuff online, but if you do want to go online, our new thing is shopcjracecars.com. We have the Dan the Man shirts on there. We're putting on, they may already be on there, the OG CJRC shirts, hoodies, hats, all that stuff. So if you guys go on there and get that,
is that one?
It's the same. Yeah, it's just like that. Yep. So we'll have those on there, hoodies like that with that design, the Dan the Man shirts and hoodies, CJRC hats, I think 2 different, camo and black, like that one, and black. So we'll have that on there.
And we're thinking about doing some maybe like raffles or something like where you can come buy a ticket for like $5 and like there's like 10 prizes and just pull a ticket.
Yeah, we're gonna end up doing something like that. We have another month. We're gonna get stuff organized, but just remember that date. If you guys don't have any plans, we schedule it around all the other races. Because there are a bunch of races. There's Snowbirds we'll be at. There's PRI. There's Baldy's race. So this is the one weekend where there's no racing. So hopefully we can see a bunch of you guys out there and get to meet a lot of people we haven't met before.
It's gonna be really cool. Yeah. It's gonna be a really fun night. So
a lot of local guys. Last one we had brought a bunch of cars. There's a big stick shift street cars around here. Some cool stuff and some other stuff. So definitely come out if you can. And I think that's it. And then we'll show you Nick's car. And
yeah,
like I said, comment below if you're coming.
Yeah, we need
for how many people you're bringing. Trying to get an idea.
Get as close as we can, so we can make sure there's enough food trucks, and because it's expensive to get the food trucks to come out. So, but we want to make sure everybody's got obviously.
Yeah, we don't. Yeah,
you know,
people, no beer and no food would be bad.
That would be terrible.
And if we don't have any of that stuff, you can blame it on Jesse because he's arranging everything. So, but all right, guys, let's take you out here and check out Nick's car.
Whoa, Danny, what are you doing there?
Cleaning off the oil. Don't you even start. Gotta watch it around here. Everything they say is a different meaning behind it.
Yeah. Get that thing pretty clean.
Yeah, I'm getting it clean.
What do you do?
Starting to fit.
There's still a little bit of dirt down there.
No,
right on the end.
If polish is better.
Putting Nick's car together. He got this mint paint job on there. Just did all this body work. Oh, it's all perfect. Oh yeah. No, I'm just kidding. He's going to take it to a body shop. They're going to do all the body work here soon. Get it all primed up and ready. There's a little trim piece you made. Yeah. Got some of the components in there, just getting everything fit, all the holes retapped. Got the firewall in there, some of the carbon pans. Check out the firewall. Oh, left a bolt loose. I wonder who did that. Maybe me. It's coming out really good. It looks good with the gloss black, the satin, all the new black lines. Check out the suspension. We still got to put all the brake lines on there. Those will look really good with the black. He wanted to keep a factory style looking dash in there. It unpins. It's got some Zeus's in there, so that looks pretty cool. Something a lot of people don't usually keep.
Looks like it. Still turns good with pads in.
Yeah, you got it shin good. Pads ain't rubbing.
Nope.
Good for 200.
Good for 200. You got me.
Oh. Dang. Do that again, Corky.
What?